No, finally. Asikhulume podcast. It's Wednesday, I think about it Tuesday.
That's Wednesday.
Yeah, ilanga lami tolo beli hectic kakhulu. So sengirevise emuva nje. Ninjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi siyaphila. I'm happy ukuthi ufikile.
Hello.
No, besisakhuluma ngesikhathi ukuthi isikhathi sibalulekile and why we're you are a business lady and us people we don't take time serious but sifuna kwenda something but we want to be successful. I don't know why.
I also don't know why yet.
Ne. You know like ngiyabuthi si ngifuna kuba businessman but I don't keep time, I don't take other people serious whatever. I don't market myself very much. Kule business yami lenye indaba so ngiyathi manje yo marketing ngibani. Yabo and ukuthi ukubambela isikhathi ngaphandle kwakho. Ne. To people that they don't know who I'm with today.
Lord. Namuhla unaMbali. Mbali wakwaMndebele Sibongo.
Okay.
Well known as Mbali Makwathando on Facebook.
Okay.
Yes. And Lamndebele on TikTok. Yes. You are Seskomville, which is in Azat.
Oh, you're from here?
No, I'm not from here.
I'm from here. Hey.
No, I'm not from here.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
from Skomville.
Yeah.
Yes. Nimoveli 2014. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I stayed this side 2014.
Oh, okay. Oh, this you're in. Look, since
It's chlorophyll.
Oh, this one are you selling?
Yes.
Oh, must we put it here?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
For marketing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, marketing.
Okay.
Yeah, why not?
Yes. I sell chlorophyll.
Oh, okay.
I sell lip balms, acha.
Yeah, I'm going to need a busy. Oh, busy.
A lot.
Nah.
The lip balms I'm selling.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, this is huge. Product, yeah.
Everywhere I go.
Even the packaging, everything.
No. It's a company.
Oh, it's a company that you market.
Network marketing.
Oh, okay. Now we're coming there. As be a back about. I think is one of the things mhlambe singasho ukuthi umuntu la qhamuka khona chaza lokuningi yabo. Yeah, because abantu basemakhaya babehave nje abantu bala lokushini.
It's something lefike into so when it comes la lokushini. Even namuhla cabanga ngafika kanjani but still I'm not familiar with the thing ukuthi uyabandlula nje abantu without greeting. And most of the time when I greet people they're like
Ne.
like, why?
And sometimes they're porana like you guys because you can greet banda too.
But I don't get discouraged.
Yeah, yes, you don't get discouraged, but you never remember what being there but you. And it was part of me.
And I'm gonna greet you even tomorrow.
I mean, I'm something being
Nehang.
Mina ngimalanga ngiyobingelela nami nakusasa but khona la sengifika khona ukuthi no ngathi ngimosha isikhathi.
Ne.
Yeah, no khona la ngifika khona kanti ngifelani nabakithi.
As much as you're saying, show what it differs on environment. And yes, the environment and stuff. I've been here for the longest time. I think it's a decade now, but still I'm enjoying. And you're enjoying like I don't. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying. There's a lot. Gonna change. Could cause a lot of difference. Yes. So I actually.
No, take us back ekhaya. Mhlambe lokuningi stuff catch up lapho.
Okay, taking you back ekhaya. I khuliswa ngokwami on my mother's side.
Okay.
My mother passed away in 2003.
Oh, so.
On my mother, Besichu.
Oh, okay.
Me and my brother.
Okay.
He also passed away in 2009. And
your brother?
Left alone. Yes.
Hey, for real? No,
my mom passed away first 2003.
Oh, 2003
and then my
or
brother passed away in 2009.
Oh, so Maragoko Besora Kon.
Gogo
Namani. Ooh.
He's 90 years old.
Oh, shout out to
No, I'm blessed. Yeah. And lucky enough, that very same year, 2009, I fell pregnant. I gave birth to my baby boy, who's my brother.
Okay.
He looks exactly like my brother, so technically he's my brother. Yes. Yeah.
Muyetan.
Nakula, I went schools like primary levels. It was hectic.
Why?
Because when my mother got sick, I went started primary. Okay, at first I started in Umbanda. There was this private school called Umbanda, but
yeah.
So we said preschool pay.
Yeah.
And after that, I went to Lamakadlela. I did grade 6. No, I did grade 4.
Yeah.
Then grade 5, I did it at Lazache Primary. Grade 6, grade 7, I did it at Sposo Combined School. And then grade 9, I did it at Lakin. That's where I got to Lakon. That's where I got to Lakon at Lakin. Growing up in Makai is very nice.
Nah.
Very nice.
I was talking to someone some other time. It's reverse.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I don't even have cousin in Makai. I have. But it's a wish.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. Maybe since you're growing up, you can. Yes, go there.
Yeah, but
I also want.
Yeah,
Why not?
Not now. Ngikhuluma ukuthi mhlambe even nyalo kwathi ngithola imali singabekisa ngayi plazini mhlambe ngihamba namake yabo. Yeah. Ngihamba namake. Yeah.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Ne, kunjani kukhulisa mgogo?
Very. Yo.
Fundisa ama terms and conditions rules. Everything. That's the reason you can create even if they're not responding bad.
No, that's how we grow up emakhaya, especially because sina emakhaya umntwana akusiwo wakho.
Lana.
La wakho la they fight ngiyocala ngishaya umntwana ebuntu ngiyocala. So today we grow up knowing ukuthi lo mako lapha amakwami. So everywhere where you go you greet you like hi mama kunjani ngiyaphila. Hi gogo yabo. So when I come here it's a different thing. I'm like
yeah, it's a different story.
Nalo make mzala I'm like sanibonani. Yo hi logisho I siyazama but we still adjusting.
Ne. It's been a decade so like adjusting.
Marak adjusting.
Yeah, no, it's been a decade I adjusting.
Yeah.
And I can't like I was talking to some other, I call her my sister. She's from Joburg. So she's a person I talk to her every day. Now and then we talk Facebook, WhatsApp, phone call. Very like that's our language. So yeah, there's a routine. Uhlala emasababsini naseswakhe yabo. So valid ukhola umntwana seswakhe bayovashela gogo. So mabasemakhaya there's a routine semakhaya just gogo nyalo ngiyokapha inguni.
There's a certain routine and certain time that you wake up with. Especially my window my time it's a bit challenging. Because alinophuma nje ilanga because when they wake up labathole manje sewashisa they need to find umdoko sovuthile. I grew up eating umdoko ngimthanda kabi. Sidla umdoko and then sinathal tiya and then by 1 sidla iphalishi hayi le dinner la ilikazi zokudla siku sidla iphalishi and then we gonna cook nantsamba mafuthi sidla iphalishi ntsamba
nabo 2 mami.
Yeah.
Akuna microwave I'm sure let's cast
no.
it.
Why?
Because phekwa nyalo ufuna kudliwe.
Nasidle nyalo.
Asimeli muntu.
Lo yofika uyolithola libanza uyidla njalo.
Ish, bese sometimes ibora a person makabuye emakhaya afike lokishini and change. I met many girls from Swaziland asibafika ngala. Kuselele the tone iphela but the behavior seyintshintshile.
I think in Swaziland it's more oppressing. Yes.
Nah.
I think that's a problem. Could say it's more oppressing than maybe in South Africa, maybe it's in Kazakhstan and stuff. In Swaziland, it's more oppressing. I think that's the problem. Because, when it comes to us, you're gonna find them by chinchilla. But it's the fact that
and then
yes, but you are amazed in the mansion that I'm like, I bo. Two boys and the best school sweat. This was the problem. Being a kind of nans. Just remember the only challenge face and anayo. One of the things that made me move to Mitiganyamasa was the gang thing. So since my teacher I'm raising a baby boy, like I cannot. About majority of the kids not because they want to. They need protection.
So
since and stuff, you see, There's
So
no
ona
one
suka
who's going to
noyithula khona move out
No,
notangana
we're still staying inside.
wakasabgenge lakho uzuyofela khona ke
Ooh, we. Akafuni lutho ngelikhaya lakhe futhi.
ne
Mm-mm.
so uprotector ngibani manje gogo nyalo because she's 90 years old uhlala nabani nabona ngibani
Gogo simcashele imini.
oh
Yeah, she has a nanny and nalomnye bhuti wami lesathi dobhela
shit masimtopela
Yeah.
namnye bhuti
Nguluya uNkulunkulu lekasipha yena
Mm.
because fair enough, hey, God has done a lot of things.
yeah
Sometimes I even ask myself, why was it me? Why was it my son? Because I don't know the thing called malume. You know, they all passed away before I was even born. My brother passed away. My son never experienced that thing of having a malume. I only have mamkulu. And mamkulu na gogo, they've got their differences. So it's very hard. I don't know.
every
This was
time
Kati firstborn.
every
So
time
I
like
don't know. So it's very hard to say, yeah, I do have brothers and stuff because we're not that close.
oh,
Actually, it's just
okay.
me, my grandmother, and my sister.
Okay. Oh,
So this thing called malume
you don't know.
I do not know it because that's why you know what because I know there is no one who's going to protect my son except me. It was that I know Udo join again and I would not have any say.
So unangaki miaka simaka ashona
I was 9.
Bhuti uzibona 3
No, when my brother passed away, I was 15.
no
I was
ukhambe
16.
make kuqala
Yeah.
oh
I was 16, he was 15.
but when I think umkhulu vele ukuthi gogo nguye mama
Yeah.
so noma mama hamba bungayi azange uyifile that much the gap ne
No, I was still young. I was young, but when time goes on, I did. I still do
okay
because there's a lot of things that
Ufuna
ngikho
ukutata
ukuthi
or-
ukhuluma na gogo that ngifuna ukuthi mama because gogo is very strict. There's certain things you can't tell.
Nah.
Gogo is very strict.
even anyana sekala 90
Over. You know, my grandmother is so strict.
Nah.
Over. My grandmother lives by the book.
which book
The book of if you know, but then I need to raise you and then you have to get married and then you have to have your own house.
oh
So
okay
leyo ukuthi nje ngisahleli yo
usamfuna kumfuna
ask like every day kusikhonakala
oh
what's wrong na
what's wrong with you
abakubona ukuthi umuhle
angakufundisi kahle so just discussing you felt pregnant it was a big issue
it was a very disappointed like my grandmother was so disappointed
on you no
yes. But after when I gave birth and she found out good mfana she was like you know what yeah so so my son was never treated like my son yes. She like he was my brother
no yeah
my grandmother's last born yes
unengaki manje
he's 16
oh okay
he's 16
akahlanyiswa ilikazi nyana ulikazi esihlanyisa
yamngena
ngiyathola week
yamngena but ngasho ukuthi because ufike la ana 9 yeah when I moved here 2014 bengemshila hlala ekhaya kuba then 2019 ngamthatha ngoba behlala ngala bekana 9 primary nakangena eThembeka that where the problem started yamngena but at least ikanyamazane ingcono doesn't have a lot of bad influence than le
Yeah.
no it doesn't when it comes to boys especially if you know ukuthi nebantu abafanana nani yabo ukuthi uyamtshela like mina that's how I grow my son ngiyamtshela ukuthi okay if you're going to do this uyofanana nalomalume loya uyambona loya lendlela loyithatha wena leya so if you want to live a great life ufuna kufanana naloya lo 20 role model yakho that's not the way
ya emakhaya ya emakhaya ngale ngendlela nje bonke betinkwati imbili kwathi ukwena nje beka amande enhloko kuthota
yeah manje ngibeka amande enhloko nokuthota yeah but esingasembe ngisad
okay what's the traditional food yatiwa
okay what is it that I'm best in stam no bunches
That's one no. Nalawa la elokishini umuntu uyakho.
They don't know how to.
Oh, wena ngane indlela yakho.
I will cook for you ubhontshisi ucabanga ukuthi linenyama.
Ne. And one day stove.
Yeah, one of the good days I will.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because
and ngi good when it comes to peace.
Peace something.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
the one peace out.
Nah.
Yes.
Oh, that's the two things we know. Because I was seeing someone this past few months and she talked about something like that, and I was having that idea. Was why don't you do it? The traditional food, I understand traditional beer like lokshin or food we told it in one place. You get what I'm saying? In one place, we told the traditional beer, unomqombothi bathi mkonje lokuyana ganu ngiyabekisa yabo le nto yeah and the food at the same time ukuthole ukwenza leyo I understand uchamuke she's coming from Swaziland but I don't know bese sangasabona ngaliswelini sa separate masiko ngale makhaya nemasiko as you said ukuthi khamba ngescripture nikhule njani nikhule nisonda nikhule niphahla kumbe nikhule ngendilutho
we're doing both.
Yeah.
Yes.
Phahla sonda and everything.
Ngikhulele eZion.
Okay.
Both of my grandparents. Lucky enough. Okay, when I grew up bengingadi ukuthi they both knew ukuthi I've got something that I didn't know.
Your grandparents. Oh, okay.
Because Nikule like both sides.
Yeah.
After my mom passed away, I was like this side, Segali on my father's side. Segali was like it was just that conflict. And then I get to the point, in grade 10, I was like, you know what? No, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna stay with my grandmother on my mother's side.
Yeah.
And then 2019, okay, I lost my grandmother that side, and then I lost contact with the family.
The father side.
The father side family. But I only just communicate with my dad, but we're not that close because I don't know him. I only knew my grandmother.
You don't know him, but you in contact with him.
I know him, but I don't know him.
History and
yes,
okay.
I don't know. Like I cannot tell you what I know. My dad. My dad loves this name. The only thing I just know is that my dad, we are called. My dad, he wants you to quote on the scripture. That's the only thing I know. But I don't know my dad. So after my grandmother passed away, I lost contact with the family, the other side of the family. But I still talk to my brothers and my sisters because I'm 5.
You?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the first one, by the way.
Okay. Shout out to be a first one. No way first one. Come on,
Then they both knew there's something on years because kokwami ngale manje abantu bakhe basendisiwe and stuff but bekasondeza yona.
Okay.
Yes. Nakokwami ngala usondeza yona. So when time goes on, I grew up knowing ukuthi okay vele sisondeza yona and we're doing it both. We acknowledge our ancestors and stuff. I get to the point where I have challenges with life.
Yeah.
And then sondeza yona, there's prophets and stuff in me.
Yeah.
And then I would like time all the time, acknowledge your grandmother and stuff and all those. No, what's going on? I'm just a normal person who just come to church and about to do it. I grew up. I can say okay, but not perfect. I wish it was better. Maybe if we can reverse things, my mom come back. It was going to be so perfect, I think.
Yeah. But everything happens for a certain reason because if you're gifted, very challenges. I don't know. Bible. So about Jesus, you can hear the problems even himself. Problems so now so what was more so what was I know so yini labantu abazali bokule bangafuna ukutshela yona and bebayade bona mawuthi nyalo so analyze so yibuka
like enough 2024 4,
Mm.
I was admitted because I had depression.
Manje uzimjolo phela.
Yeah. No,
Ah.
it was a lot. I was overwhelmed. It was a
Oh,
lot.
yeah.
And by that time,
Mm.
I considered Gucci, I should do it the Western way.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm depressed and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
And it's too much.
Yeah.
Only to find out that was my calling. Beyiphakama.
Yeah.
So when it arrives, it comes kanjalo vele with
Mm.
ungacabanga ukuthi
A lot.
sekuphelile, it's a
Mm.
lot in and mind you remember ukuthi whatever that we have, if noma ngabe isithunya noma ngabe idloti noma ngabe yini, it doesn't stay in a dirty place. So for it to stay comfortably, you need to heal.
Mm.
Yes.
Mm.
So I went back there, I healed, I went through shit.
Mm.
A lot.
Mm.
I was even thinking of taking my life,
Yo.
and then I'm gonna go my antidepressant.
Mm.
Took antidepressant for 6 months.
Mm.
Okay, that's the reason I'm cutting my hair, because I developed after effects hour they developed dandruff, what fungal. So that's the reason why I'm always in a brush cut.
Nek developer litman. It
Yes.
developer my anti-effect.
Yeah, my after effect and my antidepressant.
Lama pills.
Yes.
Are you for real?
I'm for real. If you're not gonna have any heavy acne, you're gonna have dandruff, and shit, a lot. If you're not gonna experience eczema, it's just going to be a lot on your skin. But my effects are gonna after the period of 6 months, so it's now, and then you're gonna discover what's happening and stuff. So, but then, yeah, because I accepted. And I was like, you know what?
So if you must highlight kancane, even if you don't go deeper, maybe some of the things are too sensitive. Maybe sekufake khona ukuthi ungene depression room.
If I can just say is I really do not know what happened, but what lengabuva ukuthi when it started, bekungathi I miss my mom a lot. Like there's a lot that I want to talk to him about. So mina ngikhulele emakhaya where bengingamadi mawami ukuthi wabekela kuphi, because bekusamele ukuthi kufakwe i-tombstone for me to go there. I don't know what's the cause of that. So it was a lot. Bekude la bengiyokhala khona ukuthi ngithi mama, I want to talk to you and stuff. So it went back kwavundulula into letiningi. A lot of things, a lot. The point where bese ngicabanga ukuthi I'm gonna take my life, it's the fact where I was about to face the things that bengitshela ukuthi ngibabili I haven't healed. Yes, I had to heal from them since ngisho ukuthi grow up emakhaya and stuff, not having bomalume, no one to protect you. I've been raped so many times.
Huh?
So so bengitshela ukuthi kundlulile. And mind you, I've been raped, I think I was 10 and 11, and from the age of 10 until the age of 11. And then it hits me when I was 30.
By who? By who? Because when it was not malume wasendlini.
It's funny now because sengikona khuluma ngako ngingakhali lokukhali, you know what, bekungivisa buhlungu phansi.
What was happening? Icala njani this thing? Sorry, Shem, uvusa Tilonza. Ucala njani? Bakubantu abadzala makwenda kayo ngere.
I grew up as a chubby child. I was very chubby.
Ne?
Yeah, so
abantu abachabu bavangana ngokuhleka. Kude umuntu ochabu ngasathi kuhleka.
So I think maybe asuka lapho ukuthi bese kabona ngathi sengikhulile and stuff. I don't know. And the fact of taking advantage ukuthi uyade ukuthi if gogo angekho nyalo aye kuthengisa empesheni is going to come back late.
Angene.
Yeah. And as strict as my grandmother, it talks me to tell my grandmother.
Yabona lento le sorry ukukhomba. Yabona lento yabadala bethu ukuthi babe strict sometimes is one of the things that is limatako because you umchazela uthini. Because there's so many incidents wabala olafana nawo athi bengisaba kutshela mama because mama beka street kumbe ngisaba kutshela gogo ukuthi njani.
That is
So that person should break you
ngikhuluma vele benginemali.
for the whole year.
Yeah.
We are gonna almost.
Twice a month.
Oh, you for real?
Yeah. From the age of 10. Recently after my mother passed away.
You.
Until I was 11.
But till today, you never get justice, and they won't trust you even a man.
No. Funny enough, bayikhuluma njengomndeni.
Oh.
Funny enough, it's funny now, but bayikhuluma njengomndeni, and then I don't know what's kwakhulunywane, but bekahamba nje freely emgwaqweni.
Till today, Sapi.
No, he passed away 2013. Yes.
I had some challenges. Especially I once dated another girl, and this girl must date bangivulele case ekhaya. And bavule case wabutisa why nivulele mina umuntu engidate na case but malume azange nimvulele case and that's advantage towards me. You understand? I want some of the things batali bethu nje batenda ngale indlela. I don't know whether it's anger whatsoever because no, this thing ikhona manje mangibukela kuma social media iningi because mina esikhathini esingidlala nge-YouTube vele i-TV manje idlalele nje but esikhathini esingidlala nge-YouTube and we are diva the torrent and they're unbelievable mawuthi lona until umuntu experience le lento yena wena lo ilalelayo awulahlanya lo because we easy we quick to judge because nyalo bekune story sale ntombatana nithi ngikhohle igama lakhe akhuluma ngabo babes oduma ukuthi there's some but so ngithatha ngoba sithi ngoba akasekho so funa ifame and everything but ukhuluma iqiniso even if ufuna ifame but ukhuluma iqiniso asathi ukuthi kuqiniso kumbe kumanga nguye wathi iqiniso naNkulunkulu wakhe phakathi but angeke akhuthi abantu ababale ngemagama abakhuluma ama because bangamsuka oh sekwabuya everything
came back. Everything.
But
I was admitted. After being admitted, I came back. Lucky enough, on another Sunday, I went to church.
So we are
I went to church. Like being is mama antidepressed.
Yeah.
Yes, I went to church, and then there was another prophet who told me that hey, look, Lorinda, it's not gonna help you.
See, much wena now ngiyaluthola umvuselelo ngoyingana nje uyangiboza nje nginedinkinga ngisinto yokuqhula
singizwe right. Help you. Face it in face to face. If those people are still alive, go there, tell them. I only needed sorry or I only needed help. I needed thank you.
Yeah.
So that's how it started. I started to heal and stuff, and then my dreams came back. I was like, okay, send me a pooper. Like enough being a support. Like, I was just a normal person, you know. But when Bukala and then came back, and this thing I realized I was okay. Alright. And then I had dreams. I wanted certain things. In the shop there, I was going to have to eat to this, and then I realized I was like, no. That's why I love Coca-Cola, but I'm tired of this in the family. They knew what's going on.
They got me back to this.
And then Nkule Eka ukuthi indisha ngosana. Uhle indisha ngosana.
Yeah, but umusiko linjalo vele. Even namanje noma singashona le indishi leyo. Nemthetho thizeni ukuthi uthola ukuthi indishi yamkhulu washona but usigogo usaphila. Basi baphakela ukudla bakubeke lapha. Badle bacethe bathathe lokudla bakubeke. Bokudla kusasa lomunye bathi awu ubeka ukudla.
Yeah, maybe by the grandchildren.
Yeah. Ngane kasekho but solo baya kusukhona yakho usukhona.
So kokwami ngisho sesikhula when time goes on sesibabadala waba-upgrade wabathenga legislative farms.
Wena solo nya and wena both bakubandlulula.
Yeah, bengisho njalo. Bengisho nje ngidlala ekhaya ngiyazondwa. And one thing I felt like ngiyazondwa there was a lot of pressure but bengekho into lethi pack your things and go to your first side. No.
Konke bephinze kududude at the same time mhlawumbe.
This is where you belong. This is where you have to stay.
So mawucabanga yini lebenta ukuthi bebangakutsheli kahle kahle ukuthi bona you different?
Uthi Gogo, when he said it now, uthi the journey is so hard. Uyayade kundlulile kiyo bekutshela ukuthi uyancenga ukuthi init. So ukuthi separation yami nayo ukuthi ngisuke ekhaya ngide kuhlala ngala.
Just when athike kamnanzi khona. I like that part mawuthi uthi yancenga okanye sola ivalid. Because there are many people, there are many pastors, many churches, and they say, keep amadloti. What can you say? No, I can understand that. How? When we keep on amadloti, but how did I say divert? I see in the school, so I keep up amadloti, demonic and everything. But ubambeli Bible, ukhuluma ngemadloti alabanye bani. But usilena la akhe, la yethi yena la lethena namhlabeni, madimoni. It's one of the things that I question now every day.
That means you're removing my bloodline game.
So far, you bring that man.
I don't know.
Who's Nyafa?
Everything. It's my bloodline.
So lo says what say we balekele this thing at the sonweni we face and you start bona nemaphupho. What's your first step? What's you acknowledge?
I started fasting. Because that's the only thing I knew. I have to fast.
Which fasting? Dry fasting? What?
Yes, dry fasting. I have to fast and to talk to my ancestors and to talk to God and to the clarification and see what's really going on.
Kodwa bukhuluma nema-ancestors bokhokho bebangafuni bebangahlanganisi nami. Ukhuluma njani naNkulunkulu?
You know what ufunza along the way to the thing yabo? Bengade ekhaya ukuthi siyaphahla but angase ngababona ukuthi nabanye baphahla but okay bengade ukuthi okay kunemsebenzi hayi mphahla ukusiphahlile la ekhaya but ngale besingangeni. Ngayophahlela khona le ntombi nedodana besingangeni. There's certain people lemsamo. So masahamba like enough most yabotsheri ngibajwayele the people who acknowledge God, people acknowledge my ancestors.
Yes.
So when it started, we started fasting. I remember Nasesil. I'm
after one
as fasted. Things will be revealed. Okay, we started fasting, we prayed, we did everything, and then I started having dreams on things that I have to use on indlela like meeting hambe. Is I had dreams, I realized ukuthi angahluthi.
Okay.
Nakhona sithunywa sami angiprofit ngiyathandazela.
Okay.
That means if I see your problem, it's not going to be revealed to me as nyalo. No, it's going to come to me as a dream. What you need to pray for, so and so and so and so. And then I'm going to do that even without informing you. Or if it's that deep, I'm going to inform you. But sisa bambele mthandazo. So ungasjoin and we're having a prayer for Scotland.
Ngoba basifuna nithwase phela wonke umuntu uyasifuna thwase. Everyone yafuna thwase futhi umuntu osifazana futhi ufuna thwase.
I think lenye into lesishaya kakhulu when it comes to us my firstborn daughters. I recently realized that ukuthi vele sinayo
calling
and West Part angisho bathi we've got muscular.
Okay.
Yes. It's very hard to date a firstborn daughter. It's very hard for Guatina to commit in a relationship. It's very hard. If I have to be committed in a relationship, I need to be committed with a man, not a boy. Not someone who is manyoti mina.
Yeah.
Yengosana Because I know I need someone who will be like, man, you know what, we're not going to do this. You're making sense. Yes, that's the problem. Because it's very difficult.
This thing is tough.
Yeah, and even in my relationship, I challenged the person. Go back by princess. Maybe we'll be still together.
Ne. Yeah, but Shabana very. If you got a quarantine, when it comes to my relationship, it's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, this one living now, I won't call it a relationship. I can call it a friendship because we never did anything. You understand? And she was never going to quarantine. Over long blocking up indeed. You understand? Over long blocking up indeed, but even because bonding numbing visas bonding you understand? Not the relationship they in a very percent if you're not in the corner, but bonding causing. When I must try the routine thing, you mean you are addicted to something because if you want me in the soul, yeah, my phone call and everything, understand? So I but why not? Because I'm trying to do new one. You understand? I'm trying new one feeling understand? So no. Nobody good man, good different type of women in Mhlabeni. So money according to Z, I feel restricted.
Yeah, and they're restricted. And like enough when it comes to me. Mount I know
no, but I know and
it's very difficult for me with me after avela angifuni nokuva lutho ngifuna uve mina ngikutshela ukuthi lo ngitshela kona that's the problem.
Yeah, that's the reason most of the time with data lineage yakho pipeline ngefana neyakho it's difficult because if ngitshela ukuthi mina fasting manje wena yabona le ngifuna manje so angeke nikhona vele kuvisisana so if utongitshela udongqolisa uvela yeah, but like this, I understand. So
yeah, they do not understand.
Yeah, and it's gonna take time to understand this. Understand. And the worst part about mustn't so and the worst part about mustn't sugar in another mundo. Masohile songidlulile so ufuna kubuya back this way sikahleli phansi naye semshayile impilo athi mara kunambani yabona nto yeah I messed up, you understand, yiva buhlungu mina mina nginebantu abaningi ngisafisa ukuthi sorry yabo because I'm no longer nembosana 6 months back or 3 years 4 years back. So I had lenye intombazane so Instagram ngicela number yakhe back and ngifuna like apologize her phone hi kunjani phi and bengifisa nokuthi no asami ngikhiphe out letting ngiyoqolisa kahle and tell you my reasons in order for you for future, you understand,
to understand
unganginyanyi for life mayisolo ngiyamgubuluda nami yabona nayitolo inja yamtext ngimfonela Instagram kanti unemuntu wakhe yabo yena kasho noma mhlamba acima ifoni akasho noma yena acima ifoni kumbe njani, understand. Ngibe nenhlanhla ngithola number yakhe ngifoni ngifona nge2 nge3 angiblock yabo ukuthi ngiblock la yabo ngala kulona uyaresponda ngala TikTok ngizimani ngiphi chance yabo uthi how many times ngipha ama chance ngicela ngihlambe le chance ku ngithi mina no ngifuna ifoni ngicela ngakhuluma nawe about something ngiyafona mina yabo ngifona ngicela private number 2 times nami angathi nami ingcilende I don't know supposed to say gondekile la nayo khula lengena into understand Maxuka ngisangifone bla 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 ngiyeva khuluma mjida lecele yabona le sengigcine so yini kahle ngidrop ifoni awusengafonelwa ngale inamba yabo ngiyeva ukuthi nginomjida ngiyaphendula because ngathi hello ngivele ngiphendule yabo hello yabona uyamuva le base nyalo lokufutha kwesifanyana lo hello yabo ngingaphenduli because ngiyabona usisi singakhuluma into ba west lenza yabo ngithi a drop a phone futhi ngizakahle ngasamphendula yabo because I know nami I was once a boy some other times and confused bakufonela umuntu wami ngijike ifoni umuntu wami do understand nento leyo so toba vele ngalenye indlela so ngikhulumela ukuthi if itofika kuye ukuthi I was really sorry bengathi ukuthi ngidomosha anything and ukuthi bengifuna ukuthi sorry and ngifuna ukukhipha out ngathi nayo ukuthengela igift you understand say sorry ukuthi lento ayikayi-1 ayithu many times there are so many people engifuna ngixolise kubo
siyayibonga colleague.
It's not with ngihethana I was not aware of the things that I was doing. Yeah, I was not. If you do something but you're not aware, it was hindering in there. You understand? So, yeah, so it was you understand? And ish nyara so as facing my consequences, man. You understand? Yeah. So I'm one of the person who think ngiyakona mina ukuthi no sorry bafuna ukuthi sorry mara njengalomjito angeke ukuthi sorry kuye because angafonelanga yena first you understand ngifonele lo muntu and angathi usizo umuntu utekiwe if ngabe ngathi utekiwe but if isiphendulene bekuzofuna ngithi sorry kusasa but ngiyibonile bengayi avoid usingayiphendule phone yakhe you understand so there are some things ukuthi ungakhona ukuthi avoid for sengifuna sikhulume about my relationship ngone calling ngahle ngimuntu ofana naye ngifuna sibuye singene la to God, Jesus, the Bible, the church, everything. Asikhulume ngema relationship ukuthi why ngani mina I don't ever call you gotta call me dating. Why ngakho we understand if like why kufuna mina ngizumkhethe isikhathi esiningi.
Angadad ukuthi why.
Oh nine so why kumbe nine ngicela bathi ucale nyalo usendumbe yabo le lenza le uqala ube ingathi bathi uyiflix or ubitele igama lena so bese so ya diverse bazo ayimshayile mhla
yes and it's very hard for people to believe what you think. That's exactly what I'm facing. It's exactly what I'm facing. Masibukela i-polygamist.
Yeah. I don't think I will watch it.
Once in my life,
yeah.
I've been with Jonas. No. After everything, I realized no, that's not me.
Yes.
I'm not good why, mother, but if you hoeing and stuff before. Maybe but if an experience for better used to know what he munloso addresses but masa ibuya ngazuthi revenge but mabakhetha ukhumbula ukuthi
nami ngibahethile
I don't know maybe ngiloko angathi ukuthi why
ayibona vele mosohleli bathi ahlangene wathi ngithela abaninjani nginaba tops kunanye
ucabanga ukuthi
ngiyafuna uyabuka mhlawumbe nemanga bethi cina nje uzama ukuthi nobosema uyabuthela umuntu ushayi ayishiyano it becomes ngalenye indlela because you call names ukuthi uwile yagula so nathi amaphilisi. I understand because even amaphilisi on depression nje I'm sure aqala kuhlanyise nyana because uyahlanya already abesahlanyise thulu ya down so bese but unomuntu nathi amaphilisi ofuna ngabe yabo wesiphathi mabothi bawuhlangana nawo so ufaka idumana so
uyabo
lo muntu ufuna
even le ntuku mos
idumana
even le ntuku le mhlawumbe like
and then
sekonini lo khona ngibomba bomba zafuna kuthwasa yini just ngoba mina lucky enough ngiyakuthanda kuhleka mara ngisemuntu othanda ukukhuluma too much and arguing with people yini ngithanda ukuxoxa
not a debate
not a debate ukuthi sengiyalo noba ngeke uzuthole bathi mbali so yagwetshwa mbali no that's not me vele kwakuthanda so angidifaki la ngingafuna khona so if the topic is about me but you're not asking me I'm not going to answer that I'm not gonna answer that. And I'm not even going to make a live or even explain myself. Because I had so many people asking me, why Uvula? So, because like enough, okay, tell what will and then now will after. And then there was certain people, please. I'm going through my own bullshit. She's going through his own things.
Yeah.
And they don't even understand. But teacher style, but they said, they do not longer afford to do their hair. But it's in another understanding you would see indlela yethu yokukhula you need to let go of certain things and certain habits for ukuthi ukhule understand impilo.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's that one thing lokuthi ngidlulile but if iyadonsa futhi ngeke ngaphinza ubuyele kuye kancane futhi uthi hayi mara phela ngimuntu phela yabo. What's that one thing? Be a freak, ne?
Yeah.
If yakubuyelisa kancane. Ebibuyelisa kancane why?
Even ngikhumbule ngathi so too focused, this is not you, go back there and have fun. And I must be like, no, this is not me. I feel to like, no, this is not me. Because it hits you by the time so face another thinking at the woods is so because must yeah, that's the problem. Because certain things that they make because I'm a businesswoman. I can't buy a stock on 5, 15 so long as there's something wrong.
Yeah.
I know there's something
wrong.
Because certain things notice and not having money. You're making something, but imali again, no me again, are we born good to done? There's something wrong.
Yeah, that's true.
There's something wrong. Because one thing let's understand it will say, Labanu let's learn about the Nazi pen.
Yabani bakhona. Noma walala nawo kuphela usunekwa kakhe.
No mulala naye nyalo ulala nawe kuphela but akase abe in the process of cleansing and fasting and stuff in it.
Yeah, we don't
must
asembe to into efanayo. Asembe to into efanayo. If mine angeke ngiye emtholampilo ngadiva ngiyagula. You understand? Yes. But if bafat baya emtholampilo ngagula, let go check up. You understand? So we're not the same. Nalabo bafat vele usena ngagula aka emtholampilo. You understand? So kunjalo lo myanga nathi Epsom salt clean sisu angevela ukuthi angevinyo uthi nyongo yami yadiphumela wena ufuna nathi Epsom salt uzuclean sisu. So now you're not dating.
Currently I'm single.
Guys. Please discreet.
Currently I'm single.
Why?
I'm damned.
Nah.
Yes. Because I'm too much and I don't know what's the too much. No man is in understanding too much. I don't know. But I'm a control freak and I'm too much.
And it was bad very good thing dates and a moon do what you want to say. Yeah, you're born alone.
So currently I'm single.
What kind of a guy do you want? Or you wish?
I would not say someone who's going to understand me. I just need someone who's going to be there for me. I want someone who's going to tell me it's going to be okay. That's the type of person I want. I'm a little wealthy. And I also... Okay, what attracts me to a guy?
Yeah.
If whatever that you're talking doesn't make sense, turn off. I want to come to you with an idea and then only take a solution or say, baby, you know what? I think we can do it like this and this and this and this. Not like I'm going to be like, baby, I'm going to join it, chlorophyll. You're not going to question anything. Be like, oh, okay, it's fine. I'm going to give you the money. How much is it? No, I don't want that.
Yeah,
I want you to challenge me and ask
what's
me.
The chlorophyll?
Okay, in chlorophyll, from here to now, it's will that's what I want.
Yeah, no, shut up, me understand. Ngifuna sibile kancane futhi about uthi gogo this journey bengafisa ukuthi iphindze ibe khona because inama consequences complicated. Bekasho ukuthini kahle kahle?
Uthi that's one of the things asinayo mkhulu. So that's why like a push make sure we get married as fast as possible. But you've experienced the thing of the marriage and living a normal life.
So icosha mkhulu.
Yeah.
When we looked at I had a brain net angengibali kusingibani umuntu. Last week athena yadendo leniniketwe wasenza abantu abanengibambita nganyoni vele ekhaya sithi nganyoni. Inyoni yadendo leniniketwe abantu abadala yona. Ingenda ukuthi ingafuni umuntu wesilisa, ngifuna umuntu wesifazane. That's why ngibona ngathi
Yeah, basho njalo. Majority labanye bathi it's giving power to the person that you have. If wena uvuke okoko not in case. If you're gonna acknowledge that person more, you're gonna be feminine.
Me.
Yes, as a man. As a woman, mangivuke makhehla and acknowledge yena more ngati khohlwa mina, I'm gonna be masculine. So what's gonna turn me on when it comes to a man? Nothing, because I'm a man.
Yeah, that's a boring thing.
That's the problem.
That's why I want to say mama gays, but mama gay.
That's the problem. And then Akona, if you can go back and look at it, majority of gays and lesbians and Mokolis.
Yeah, majority of them, but yeah, banale calling
they
it.
acknowledge more of.
And what you notice, I'm a gay that by an encounter jan.
Over.
Now I'm a lesbian and encounter over. I'm going to mention it. I mean, like, no double at one thing.
Right.
Mama, when you took my business, when I was going
they give him the person, then the guy for now. Who acknowledge them more.
Yeah. Cool. Yo, I'm gonna school me about ingolo. Kuleletwe ikhali lokuthandaza. Yabo. And I thought ukuthi mhlambe undlulile ngale bo Christianism mara ngiyabona ukuthi hayi vele wathola iminyaka avulekile wandlula.
Ngazama kwangihlula mangifika la elihazi ngazama bengisonde international kwangihlula I never understood why, but ngangihlula ngithanda umculo, but when there's the instrument involved it's making a lot of noise in my ears. Angisabeva laba abacula
I invited some other guys, some today born in the clip. This guy I don't know. He got a calling so I invited another sister on Sunday. She was sitting there. We were talking about my ancestors. One good question they want to say, do you believe in God? Straight, because before I believe in some question, I understand. If God is there, why have we made live like it? So why have we made a back when they so? You understand? So we're coach who's watching us? WhatsApp ngadilitha kule WhatsApp yabo ngicela phasi ngenjalo singesikhathi sokuthi ngingaboni nje ngiviewile lesikhathi because ngibona abantu abaningi laba believer God kakhulu ngathi ngibokuphela abantu undlulela abanye abantu emhlabeni. I don't know why.
That's exactly what Umtho said on Opencast. The reason why they're so defensive, they don't have answers to the questions that we want to ask. Majority of Christians, because when the Bible they only read it where it favors them.
That's the thing. That's the thing. La rituals ayendeka la eBhayibhelini mathi nesiwenda la aRoma bayenda la mangoma babayenda la rituals la khona la eBhayibhelini baba nenkinga bo.
That's a problem. Christians sebafunza the New Testament. The Old Testament, no longer using it. And mind you, on the New Testament, Jesus, when he came, what he, I'm here to add. To the Old Testament. What I'm here to add on what you guys know.
Manje thina asikwindi lo. Sine cancela konke.
That is so bad.
Sinedingela ngazo.
That is so bad.
So uba meaning like ngihlala ngibuthi into leyi saying if there was no Bible, we would believe it. Because if utonatha tshwala lokuphume last month bosolonatha ini?
Yeah,
you understand?
that's the question.
if bekude iBhayibheli bekunani because iBhayibheli lifike lathola nenkolo thizeni bekhona yakrasha yonke lenkolo thizeni wena wathatha lenkolo yanyala uhamba nayo wakhohlwa kuyakudzala leyo beyikhona
because problem mangisho bathi banyana. If
Yeah,
you
but
tell them with most of the things bathi sidzala
mara siyababona lapha emasontweni sebavuke even bona abafundisi babona sebavuke umoya sovuke le moya yomadlodi nothwase sokuyaqinisela lapho fase masesha lapha ngeke akukhona so yabona sorry kuma Christian ema-Christian no truly speaking no like babantu laba yabona basilwisa esikhathini esiningi basilwisa if you can talk about African spirituality uzongithuka like uthi la kusukuthuka kunjalo uthi manyala yabona eshinyelela lamavuzo uthola yalandelana yabo lengidlala 7 minutes lengidlala 3 minutes ngasi no my brother I think nyalo ngathi you getting out of line because inkolo yakho mina ngiyihlonipha yabo
yes,
and
you need to also respect mine
and ayikuthi inkolo yakho angifisi adjust kuwe that's the reason ngibabite abantu abafana na because I want to adjust angifuni eBhayibhelini ngifuna kuvone lo wakho umqondo because ngeBhayibhelini ngase ngibona ukuthi into restrict kakhulu so if wena ukhuluma ngenkolo yakho uyiquote somewhere kimi mina ngiva ngathi angisakuva kahle yabona ungazucala quote something ufuna ukunderstand some quote somewhere into leyabhalelwa abanye abantu labafana nami nawe because ba oppressor mina nawe
but the thing is they also quote things and then when you quote back something lenye eBhayibhelini lephikisa yona lapha remember iBhayibheli liyakhuluma
liphikisa contradicted
and then they get aggressive
yes
so yeah
that's the reason babayisa kwa Bible school because babache usinama emavesi nabangaquote
like mele ngiyawafunda yes
because even nanyalo bathokutshela ngaJesu ukuthi bamtshela ngalidli angasidli isihlahla lesiyana but wasidlo wabona inhlakanipho so when if you question something if you want to question the pastor promise and question the pastor you'll be wrong
yeah you're gonna be wrong
yeah because dokutshela pastor ukuthi una 2 decades arana lento le who are you you understand
same direction uyabona ukuthi solo akuna exaggeration la isontweni mara solo umile with the way lekaqhamuka naye eBible school
I talked ngikhuluma lo mama lebekunayi la ngithi mina ikuvula kwemasonto mangihamba ngeresearch from abantu abadzala lebe baphila ngesikhathi sakudzala bekuyendelwe ukuthi bafuna kulwa nale system
yeah
because the system beyena njani yabacinzetela ukuthi if bakuthola ikhala khona umlapho wenzabuko nebantu esikhathini esiningi bena njani bayakubopha kube bagcina bak-assassinate so bona babalethela iBhayibheli bona bathi sengenda sikholwa mina akufuneka niyothwasa sengenda sikholwa you understand kahle sikholwa besikhona mara hayi lesanyalo sala masonto lamaningi so you understand angisho ukuthi besingekho besikhona so that's why uvathi mina mphuphe kokwami gace ijazi before agace ijazi bekacayini why angigomelo kokucala ngifuna ukulijazi mina that's the reason isikhathini esiningi ngilwa ngale tinto lethu ukuthi before lokho kwami before bamcolonizer bekentani ngifuna kubuyelela yena lento lebekayenda kucala yebe bayenda kucala before the colonization ingeke so if batshela ukuthi bebalwela lento leyo ukuthi abantu babe united balwe le system so bekuba letimbimbi la isontweni dihambe diyo report ukuthi labantu ba against lento leyo so inkolo le Christianity ilethe ifana ne-ANC politics kahle kahle so kusho njalo so but if you gonna be like that bakubhesha bayakubhesha vele ungazucala vele someone behlala nje enyoni mafuna i-podcast yakho ikhulu ungakhulumi ngema-Christian maningi ma-Christian ayo followisha le page lami but angifuni bafollowishe ngikhuluma amanga
yeah
because enhlupweni yami deep inside ngiwathi bese ngikhuluma amanga ngikhuluma nami experience yami naye bakafuna kubuye akabuye ehlale phansi akhuluma experience yakhe wena njengoba uthi ukhulele esona let's talk about the experience yasesontweni ukhuliswa ngogogo advice bayakupha ngona gogo thandaza njani everything what do you know about the church the peoples of the church is it wise ukuthi umuntu ayesontweni ayofona uNkulunkulu sesontweni kumbe njani ufuna understand
no uNkulunkulu kuwe uNkulunkulu ayekho esontweni it doesn't specifically mean ukuthi ufuna uye specific church.
Yeah.
No. Thina ekhaya kithi besisonto eZayoni manje if noma ngabe ku Sunday lesingakakhona ke esontweni still besibamba isonto ekhaya and
ngabe nenkinga
isithule and open the Bible. Yes, sithandaze, that's it. Mara lo ukuthi vele sesesontweni specifically sijoyine no. It's something that came after, but I don't know. I think ukukhulela eZayoni nokukhulela like on a Christian church, it's two different things. Yeah. That's the reason why majority of Christians bathi akuna uNkulunkulu eZayoni. Majority of Christians basho njalo, but eZayoni akuna uNkulunkulu. Yes, because we majority of Mazayoni we acknowledge both. According to my own understanding, you can't read the Bible ufunze acknowledge my ancestors alabanye bantu and think ukuthi akho my ancestors they're bullshit.
They're bullshit then.
Njani kude nebelungu labayiwala bafuna claim lo Jesu babe baka Jesu kude kuma podcast lamaningi when you ask white people ukuthi do you believe in Jesus, they don't. And why are we fighting indole noma ngabe kuthiwa bendile sithombe sakhe la ngumlungu mara abamfundi omlungu mara thina sithi siyamfuna siyamthanda. Why kungabe a black person so that we can see ukuthi that's the correct way, we should go that way vele yethu that thing.
Hayi ungabuta lento leyo hlala mabuthi question eyi-1 uthi why ngima Easter hlale kuthola abantu abamnyama ama accident esondweni kazi sithole belungu bagibela ibhasi bathola accident bafa
bayaphi belungu ba Easter basuka batikhiphile bakuma holidays basekruka labantu bahlalele le mina ndio bangama cookies le emlidelweni nakubukuphi. That's the problem.
Every year same routine every year. That's the reason ngifisa someone what in African calendar, because sibana bami sine calendar yethu.
Yeah,
Sunday bami-add babasho to calendar, but there was no Sunday in the calendar, and bathi beyagcina inyanga begcina nini October kumbe September angasi inyanga begcina September. So that's the reason ngifisa lo muntu lo knowledge. No, there are people that got knowledge. There are people that got knowledge. It's just when you get knowledge of something, awuna mali uyahluphekela, and the more reason le mpilo lethu banda bakulaleli banenze simakulalela yabona if ngacamga mayisola ahlale la acamga khuluma lento le bangamthatha yes, and noma akhuluma in negative ngathi tonke into lesikhulumile lithi positive bothatha mayisola because unani unemali ngani by creator ukuthi creator umuntu obathu umsaba abantu umhloniphi ngiyabelize njengayo lo the stage lesiyasithandaza mihla nemalanga size sisigaca nokusigaca mara labantu ba create le stage abasigaci sona abavele aish asivale batashaya ngifuna sikhulume about your businesses. Business girl,
my businesses.
What's your first business that you have started with? What would you say name ice block?
I sold everything.
Every cent
Ngiyawufuna each and every cent. I'm a plan. I'm paying your rent. I'm raising a child.
You're paying your rent.
Yes, I have to buy food.
Benhlala
khona, and then I moved out 2019.
Why? Usufuna cool. Oh baby, wasafuna kushaya sleepover.
Wey loli. No, but nothing low. I just discovered ukuthi the purpose of me coming this side was bantu abasisombe babancane. So uyasebenza indodzi iyasebenza nababuya esikoleni bababodwa. And then 2019 they were grown. They could fully take care of themselves, and I was like, you know what? This is my time. I need to focus on me now. And remember good thing about time.
Yes. So what's that first business that you started with?
My first business that I started with, okay, I'm a beautician by profession now, man.
Oh,
I know how to do hair. I did it for like a year, and then I started getting swollen feet.
What?
I don't know. Even now, I'm not in and then after that, I did nails.
My nails?
Yeah. I no longer want anything that's going to stress me. Would see for me to get that money, I need to stand for 3 hours. No. So would say I love it, but I just love it for myself, not for doing it.
But there's one thing that you need to ukukhumbula mawahamba nebantu abadzala ukuthi you need to ucela konke. Angisho isikonke kodwa ukuvuma. But ucela the things that you like and you don't know speak with it because hey nami kuba labantu abaningi ngingadate nabo. Ngingadate other women when you do those things of beauty what. But you know, I prefer nails, nails makeup, or nails makeup, install a tinwell, wash a tinwell, understand? But at the end, I can't pass clean was no more. But the scars of Kinamundo 3 hours to Balay. I'm not going to need a nails.
Yeah, I don't try, but I
go in. Yeah, no, you understand.
Give me album. I think maybe it's the different kind of people who would say, the energy exchange of energy and stuff. I think it's that.
Yeah. Awuphumi awufana nami awunyaka ngitholenje ngishaya pijama ngishaya pijama no business woman maybe
I'm selling online. When you need something, you're gonna tell me it's like a complex, or you're gonna come and pick it up. Yes. Since the technology, things are easy.
Yeah, things are really easy. So a person I don't why don't you open because like this beauty thing some nails and everything, makeup, because you can teach a person.
Yeah, I can.
Because there's another lady she's doing that. And there are people every month, every day, there's a fee, the work and everything. Because you have that profession, the paperwork and everything. The paperwork, and so some product. Yes, it's another loan. Because as times maybe mhlambe nawe ngakusebenzela ukuthi umuntu utakuwe uyamfundisa utena lomunye umfundisa towards lo muntu loyo njalo utena ama product umtshela lokhu nalokhu mina ngifuna imali leso njalo you can open a school for yourself. I don't know.
A school, no, I haven't think about it, but I think I'm gonna open a salon. It's gonna be a very nice salon.
Okay.
First rent, it's gonna be back home.
Okay.
It's gonna be, and then
I'm
gonna do one here. I'm only just going to be there, management, not me doing people and stuff.
Yeah, but even now labo bantu lo ubafundzisile lo umsebenzi lo babhadala kuwo. It's so easy ukuthi employ because you the one who touch them. Then kuze kufike mina le ngangifundisanga. Kusafuna yeah, understand. Yeah, understand. So kungcono usama musibendo lena we fail kanjani because ngokufundisile.
Yeah.
Now you do more practical because there are many of them bafunzile banako ukuthi into lokuphathi bantu abasupport because naleyo ngadi yabantu asifani asinangadi efanayo.
Okay, asifani. We should get down. Yo.
And mara thina into ngivisa ukuthi labo kuhamba supporta bona kudlula laba la ekhaya.
And kuhlale kunjalo yathi but not me. Not me. Kuhlale kunjalo.
Yeah.
Most of the time, into they discourage from opening businesses like that.
Yes.
That's because of that. And another fact, you would say, I paid 11,000 to study, and then I have to my price. My price a beauty school would say my price range for you. They should be there just because of Bonabacona. They're saying nails 100 rand.
You can't run away from that. That's business. That's competition. And our government, so what can we do? With nothing. But
and then people are chasing them away. Why is Tony Why is it so quiet? Everything is fine. Everything is okay.
Estate. We don't chase people. This is an estate.
So exactly, people will go right.
Yeah,
what you guys are saying.
Because it tells you that's one thing you need to know. That's the reason it's not good. So what I'm Yeah, hlangana nabo from a complex every day. Mina yathi mangibhoranga nini yokucala ngumngcolisa.
Yeah, bathi nyanya.
Bangcolisa labantu.
Bathi nyanya.
And nase adopt le nto phela. Bokuthi sebutha amabhodlela somahawu. Le nto besingayenzi thina. Sesi adopted into le besingatati. Angisho ukuthi ku wrong.
I think nakhona it's lendzaba yokuthi kude emsebenzi.
Kude emsebenzi, that's true. But it tells ukuthi government inemali ukuthi iprotecte bona ukuthi thina singabahambisi. Ukuthi nabi ngabahambisi because yabathinga la.
But I don't think ukuthi kanyamazane it's because sithi asibone inkinga. I think there's certain people that we're waiting ukuthi basho ukuthi asilungile.
Yeah, ngingale kusinabo. If you kuthanda ngosana ukuthi ayisuke bacala besana. Umbani. You understand?
That's the problem.
No, kanyamazane sine siduma my generators siduma ngepetrol funa basithengele tshwala kanti siduma. The majority yethu. I'm telling you.
Yeah, which is not good.
Cool.
Which is not good.
You talk about masivala and about this thing ukuthi uyahamba uyofunza ufunzela this beauty thing and they tell you ama prices alapha masofika environment yakho sokuna adjust kunebantu ngibekisa futhi ngasephehlweni kunebantu labayephehlweni bayofunza ephehlweni understand makabuye ephehlweni bamtshela ukuthi no don't think ukuthi uhamba kahle you work blah 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 makabuye abuye ahlale lapha esikole agcina ikhiyele indumbi yakhe ayikiyele indumbi yakhe athi bekubona nondinda kwami umsebenza back to because there are things likufuna sifundzisane khona tarali singayikhetuli nje yes I understand because you need to tell people ukuthi there are many challenges usatohlangabetana nabo like le journey lokuba ayisilule nje ubuyibona you understand because ngiyofunza iBible eplazini yakBible school sengifuna kufana na Mboro sengifuna kufana na Bushiri so because ngibonile lento kusiyenteka you understand and most of the time I'm telling people ukuthi labo bantu abaletulile abaneliqiniso bonke labaletulile so
manje nga commission yasikhomba kusibele
so how do they get this product isibalele ama product bathengisayo and everything so bathola njani bakuthola njani kuwe and everything
bathola kimi on WhatsApp ku 0768443926
yeah but do you have a pamphlet ne you don't have a pamphlet
not really
of thing lokuthengisayo
for chlorophyll no I do have for Aja and my running business
okay
yes
what running business this
I
one
also run
how
yeah you can send me anything in my spirit and I'll buy for you and bring it back
like what
anything
that's a number basing much yeah
66
walk
anything anything
oh but year 7
yeah
so ne pamphlet nayo yakho
yeah
you must send me ngito khona ngwafaka phela la podcast ngibona ukuthi khamba njani
yeah
so what's the most business ehamba kakhulu kuni
yo ngasho it's everything
yeah
sorry for majority of people abangisupporta bobafati and abantu abadala
oh okay oh imbida
yes
ay for real
yeah yo ku TikToks
okay ne avele bafati ukuthi la ngebahlala bangasaphi bafati net bakufaka nje into engathi na herbs nyana bayakhona faka ne profit nyana bayakhona
yathi it's gonna leave your veg clean or drinking
ne
yasho njalo nje
mina experiment konke
yeah asibuthi
so what can you expect more from you this year 2026
expect more
more cards
the hair is not growing anytime soon guys don't worry it's not
like that for life
yeah we'll see maybe next year or next year what's going on amara for now ayi ngisatohlala nje
sorry ukubona ngathi uphinda uthengisa mahiya kumbe yini dwaba yini
imikum but it was just a once off thing because nakhona bengiyabi Oh, bese Maputo.
Mm.
When we came back, sathola lomnyama lapha, she was very stranded. Definitely Joburg. I bought them cheap, and then we came with them myself. And yeah.
Ngaphela. Azamani bafuna nomunye.
Ayifuna bad.
Awusathi uzothola kuphi?
Ngase baxosha ngiyongena njani le?
Hamba nawo. Balandelele. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, this past few weekend, this past weekend was emshadweni.
Yeah. My best friend was getting married.
Oh, your best friend. Oh, okay. Where?
Okay.
Oh, Bekai. You also wish to marry?
No.
What disappointing? What can you expect from you 2026? Ngokuthi ubala ngizothi why ubala letini le 20 ngemshadweni wakhe so uyothi why manje ngifunda.
No, I don't wish to get married. Yeah, I can have a partner, but
not married, like lobola. Phela marriage is English.
No.
Even lobola you don't want.
No, I don't want anyone sitting down disgusting me or would say, no, I don't like that.
Ufuna mafata inside one.
I rather. No. Why?
Move us go.
No. Ngeke. Ngibona ngathi okay. Kahle lokungenda ngingafuna ukushada is the fact that mangibuka le mishado of nowadays it's like if ever you're gonna come ekhaya ngithi and pay lobola automatically you think like you're owning me. And I mean, I'm one particular person that you can't tell me what to do and what not to do.
Which one is this one?
You see, that's the problem. We're gonna have a problem. There will always be meetings like I knew because when I didn't understand, I didn't respect. So no. At least if we're dating, must over and so grand. No, marriage is not for me. I think umuntu antokuhlala ekhaya ukuloya abantwana.
And guys, so Jenny, have you hamba kunyana? The African spirituality, or what can you say it? The spirituality thing, or you can say African.
Ihamba kahle, great enough to the point ukuthi ngikhule to the fact ukuthi I now can assist someone to grow.
Yeah.
Yes.
In which way?
In the spiritual way,
in the spiritual
guidance way. Yeah, I know how to live. I'm someone you can just call and talk to, like Sesmali. So and so and so and so and so and so. Like enough, le journey yakhona le makes nebantu abadala to respect me, and I don't know why.
No one said me.
Yeah, lawyer Coco. Yes, that's the problem. So I'm one person just so open and you can talk to me with anything.
Yeah. Guys, ufuna iChlorophene khona njengathi usisi ikhona ushito sesimbayi sitofaka pamphlet yakhe ama numbers wakhe ama details akhe mawufuna bakuthandazele uva ngasi le demons eliphakeme edlula khona sesimbayi mawufuna guidance khona sesimbayi mawufuna beauty whatsoever khona sikole sesivula anytime soon.
Yeah.
Sivala sithini to konke umuntu lolusha lobuke kuwe.
Just do you.
Yeah.
You know what? Do you, shame?
Ne.
Sometimes you need to go all out even disrespect, not in a disrespecting way. You would see you're gonna like shout to your parents and no, but when you feel like you have to do this, do you? Hayi makuthi phuma ngalelo fastero phuma mntakama ungaze kubambe ungakase waphuma uyoba inkinga lesophuma ke bafastero. Just do you, shame.
Manje inkinga labanye bayaphuma ngasabuki. Yabo so baphuma lapho because I can say mina ngikwendile lo and wena ubuke kimi na ufuna kwenda ngoba mina ngiyakhuluma sengiyakhuluma ukuthi ngikuventa out, you understand? So I'm telling about the things that I have done in life. So now you want to do times 2 mina engakwenda ungasabuki emhlabeni. Because akusingithi sonke lokuthi sakwenda sabuya. Labanye solo bastakile labanye solo
you don't do nkosana. Just because nkosana is preaching ukuthi hey I once being Jonas doesn't mean ukuthi nawe you
Yeah,
have to
phela-
be Jonas.
Phela ukukhumbula ukuthi i-social media nyalo yasilimade. Ubuka lento yak-Instagram ufuna ukwenda ne-Instagram kanti umuntu wena ama-followers nama-likes. Well, you don't know that.
No, if it's not you, you're not gonna do it.
Phela i-youth phela yenyalo ukukhumbula ukuthi they are not themselves. They are
What are
someone
they?
else. They are someone else. They are someone else. They are someone else. Njenganyalo nje iphumile le-series ye-Jonas angase kunangabe bo-Jonas abakreatekile already.
Bevele bakhona.
Yeah, nje someone exploring.
Yeah, so that iphaphumede ukuthi vele.
Manje so
Bavele bakhona shem.
So now you're not drinking, you're not partying.
No, I drink a
Mm.
lot. No, I drink a lot.
Why?
The only thing that I've caught is going out.
Drink a lot.
I don't know why.
Nah.
A lot. Especially when I'm alone. No.
I need to find something.
I
to-
always
to-
have
to keep
alcohol in my house.
Hey, for real?
Yes.
Mina ngabe ngigcina ngivele
Serious?
ngikubuke sondlule uma ngihlangana nabo ukuthi babudlulise lapha phambi kwemhlanga.
No, I drink. I think bayakuthanda.
Ne.
Yeah.
Yeah, bakhona labo zivele abakhona ukuphila ngaphandle kwabo.
I
Mina ngiyamesa
bayakuthanda.
nganathi. Hayi mina ngiyamesa. Mina ngimesa nganathi sema nginathi times 10 manje yabo. So ngilo.
No, I drink. I
Yeah.
don't smoke. Anginayo lenye habit like ukuthi nefu no. It's just only alcohol and my me time. That's it. Then cutting and going out to drink.
Ai, sei vara. Sei vara, tempo.